And here, ladies and gentlemen, we have my pre-workout. What's going on, fam? So as you guys saw, got myself here a little pre-workout meal. Gonna have some water with it. After that, I'll have a tablespoon of peanut butter just to get some fats in. What I wish I was having right now, but will probably be my post-workout. But yeah, gonna meet up with the homie. We're gonna train a little bit of legs. Figured I'd bring you guys with me. It's gonna be a long day. Got some, you guys will see. So gonna have this. A little bit less carbs than I usually will have before a workout, just because it's training a little earlier than I usually train. Right now it is 11:30 and I just turned the camera off by accident, but it's all good. So gonna have this. Is approximately maybe like 80 carbs. With the fats would be like 16 fats with that. No, 8, sorry. And just gonna go bring you guys with me. So yeah, let's do this. Let's get this in and meet the homie up at 12. So soon I'll get to you. Here, Ghost Gym with the homie, warming up. Going to be hitting some hams and then shoulders today, but we'll see if we'll record the whole workout for you guys. Not gonna be a full routine, but I want to bring some clips to you guys either way, so. Whew, die. Punches are killer. Come on, there you go. Whew. Not done yet. Not weightless. Good. There we go. So 4 back and forth is 1 set. And we do 4 of those, so killer. Whew. Alright, now for the real fun leg workout. Leg press, 1 leg at a time, with an emphasis on hammies. And I'll show you guys how to do that right now. Actually, you know what? You can just keep it going. Show them the foot placement real quick. So I put it down below and like and toes pointing outwards, just to put emphasis more on it. You want to take it an extra step further when you come up. Put your toes out. Now peep what the homie is doing real quick. And now he wants me to try this shit. So we'll see. I've never done this before, but it's like a modified stiff leg, I guess. But it looks like it's just gonna tear your hammies apart. Whew. And so unexplained how how the people at home could do this. Yeah, go ahead.
Explain how you tear your hamstrings up.
You're gonna have to walk me through it because I haven't done this.
Toes want to be in line with the platform.
Okay.
Knees almost completely locked out. Slight bend is okay. Back as straight as possible. All right, you want to throw your left leg out. Straight as possible.
Take 2. Is that right?
That's right. Kick your left leg up a little higher, kind of like you're doing a left kick all the way up in the air. There you go. Try to bend that left leg as possible too. Keep it straight. There you go. This exercise is no joke. It may look a little awkward, a little funny, but it's harder than it seems.
Now we're gonna see how to properly do this. Yeah, you see he had the better flexibility in his legs to do this than I do, but I still felt it.
Perfect. Lock that left leg out, kick it straight up, back in the air. Perfect. Perfect. Drive off your heel if you can. Or stretch your hamstring even further. Perfect.
Last set, best set. Freaking killer, dude. Hell yeah.
It's your boy Herman here.
Yeah.
A good leg workout with my boy Lorenzo.
Yes, sir.
If you want to not have legs the following day, come train with your boy right here. He'll take care of you.
That's it. So shout out to Herman. Killer workout, guys. So I'll put info right here if you guys want to follow him. Alright, so getting ready, go do a demo. Stop by the Limitless Nutrition store real quick. And I may or may have not had a little piece of that cake. Don't worry, it's bulking season. I did track it. And I'm gonna also be having a little protein shake with me. So I'm gonna finish packing up all the supplements, the samples, and then head out. So take you guys with me. And here we are, guys, walking in. Bam. You got all your supplement needs. Yo, what's good, brother? Just here vlogging. It's good.
Okay.
How's everything? Good, good. Haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah.
Boof. What's going on, fam? So as you guys see, it's currently the next day. I believe the last thing I recorded was me walking to Limitless, and then my camera died, and I ended up coming home. It was my mom's birthday, so I didn't. You know, the nieces and nephews came over, so we just ended up celebrating within the family. So, boom, next day. And today I'm supposed to be working on her, but as you guys see, it's like pouring out here. Look at all this rain. So, yeah, a little bit of a pickle. If I could get the car inside the garage, just the front end, I'd probably be alright. But yeah, we'll see. So, see what happens. Alright, and here is the setup. We got the shit finally in here. The light set up. Whew. Still dark in here though, but it's a freaking mess.
Yo, could you get on this side and loosen this?
Yeah.
Like down here, in that corner?
Making some progress. And here are all the new tools, well, pieces, parts. Yeah. Gasket. Got the guides, another guide, and yeah. So where we at right now?
Damn, now water.
Jeez, guys, look at this shit. Crazy. Making progress, but if it keeps raining like this, the garage is gonna get flooded, and we're not gonna be able to finish. So let's hope it doesn't. It is not letting up. And we have access. Hell yeah. I'm over here with the mechanics. Now we got to figure out. This is where I think the given factor is. The tensioner. it's probably bad. So it doesn't look that bad though, but who knows. Okay. Trying to line this thing up.
No, I gotta keep rotating.
Keep going.
This cam, this much was down the front.
Let's see if I can get this shit. Am I holding that real quick? Just get some type of shot. That's one. Let's check. It to be continued. So there you guys have it. Gonna get ready to hit the gym right now. Car is still, as you guys last probably saw, trying to figure out how to get the chain off, the tensioner out, and yeah, so we're gonna leave it for another day. Homie has to run. Appreciate Kevin coming out, helping me out with this, but we couldn't get it done today. So not an easy job, as you guys probably can tell, but I'm gonna hit the gym right now, hit some back, some chest, and yeah, figured that in the video here. I did get some clips from my leg day yesterday, so no point of me putting some workout in here. But yeah, really frustrated with this thing right now, man. Can't figure it out. So, but we figured it out. I'm pretty sure it's out of timing, but haven't gotten it done yet. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, I'll try to keep you guys updated with what's going on with this, and as usual, keep my fitness thing going. So, peace.
Yeah, I gotta get used to that. Remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, man, give us a subscribe.